Hi guys, I'm Mihir, a MBBS student. Welcome to Emboleto, a podcast about becoming a doctor in India. I'll be your host, taking you through the everyday lives of a medical student. In today's episode, I'll be talking about my days from pre-med and more. Joining me I have my friend from pre-med days and now batchmate, Malhar. Sup bro?
I'm fine, bro. How are you?
This quarantine life is very weird.
See, I hate it, but I love it. I don't know.
I don't love it because I miss my life a lot, but I didn't like my life that much anyways. This is going on a depressive note very suddenly. It's not like I didn't like my life. I liked it. But quarantine has given me more time to understand what I liked and didn't like in my life.
Bro, this is very deep. I'm not going to go into the deep shit.
ठीक है.
My life was zero pehle, also zero. So
No change.
No change whatsoever.
We were on square one and we are still on square one only. Anyways, what I was saying is that this life is not so different from our life in 11th and 12th because basically what we were doing is staying home and studying. Right now I'm not studying. I'm not a snake. I might be.
all those from our batch or second year.
बहुत पढ़ाई कर रहे तुम लोग मेरे को पता है. पार्थ फकर तेरा पैथो भी खत्म हो गया है. So what I was saying is that this life is not so different than what we had in 11th and 12th.
One thing is there, we have a seat now.
Yeah, we have a seat now.
We
So
have a
that's
seat.
what today's podcast is basically going to be about. That how did you get into a medical college? Because before I start talking about MBBS life or anything, I thought it is only fair to show my journey, like our journey. Most of us went through the same thing. Go to a coaching class, get through to a medical college.
Mat jao bhai, please don't do it. Don't opt out right now.
That's the first advice I give to kids today. Like
Don't
nowadays
do
who would come to me and they say, भैया कैसे किया or sir or whatever. Like
भैया
fucking-
कैसे किया बताओ ना भैया टिप्स दो ना
I'm gonna ask you for
One
the
last
last time. so
प्लीज हेल्प
so मैं उनको बोलता हूँ कि भाई तुम सोचो कि तुम मेडिसिन क्यों चूज किया. And at that time I asked myself the same question as well. That
we have one bread what cost
exactly
at what fucking
what cost did we win? So that's the first question. That why did I choose medicine? Do you know why you chose medicine as your career?
yeah
Why?
because maths नहीं आता है
Majority
No,
of
this
the
is-
people
exactly.
come into medicine because maths नहीं आता है. Okay, so
have
it's
out
okay.
there
Yeah.
have no idea maths क्या होता है इसलिए bio
हाँ.
I'm one of them
Since बचपन चूज कर लिया था कि
maths नहीं आता
कर नहीं
आता ही
सकते.
नहीं है maths
for me I was gonna go for engineering. Like till 10th standard I was in those fuck all useless classes they were. JE का.
we had this class every week on Sundays
Same
I used to
weekend
go-
batch.
I used to go
Yeah,
there.
same.
I used to go there break mate have Oreos and come back
Same bro.
I did this in 9th 8th
There was this one canteen ऊपर शेजवान वाला बैठता था. मैं जाके सिर्फ 3 साल
FC
शेजवान
Road.
खाया.
We had a class at FC Road. Lloyd's, no. Yeah, FC Road branch. So we used to go there. This man used to come. He used to ask one dude questions. He used to answer everything.
हाँ, one dude.
We used to, yeah.
Dude, that fucker, I'll tell you his AIR 2 also. I won't
Now
take
he's,
his name.
This guy is AR, I think 14 something.
हाँ, so that fucker छोड़ो उन लोग को. But still, so yeah, what I was saying is I chose medicine because I realized that I love bio a lot and I'm genuinely curious about biology more than I am for mathematics.
This after an MBBS.
Yeah, this
This happened to me-
this happened to you after you
Yeah. After I
understood
went
the
into
subject.
MBBS,
Yeah.
yes.
So that's good that at least you like it
Exactly.
now.
Now I like it.
Not like other people जिनको अच्छा ही नहीं लगता और कर रहे हैं रो के कि
I
अरे
forced
यार
into it.
क्या हो गया. ठीक है. So I'm gonna talk about how do you get into a medical college right now. When we started out, it was different. It was MHCET. I'll tell more about that later.
Ratta mar. Oh.
But right now, how you get into any medical college? It's called NEET, National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test.
Also known as मत दो.
हाँ मत दो.
झंड है मत दो.
There's this thing called negative marking where there's a question. There are 4 answers, 4 options. There's only one answer. Obviously, there can't be 4 answers.
Yeah.
There's one question and you get it right, you get +4. You get it wrong, you get -1. So it's much like life. If you screw up, 0 नहीं मिलता है. पीछे ही जाते हैं. You go behind. और अच्छा हुआ तो +4 भी नहीं मिलता है लाइफ में. But yeah, in NEET you get +4 -1. Maximum you can get is 720. That's a lot of marks. Like मेरे को याद है, like my relatives would ask me, बेटा कितने मिले?
Miraculous figure of 720.
हाँ, अरे my god.
Miraculous figure of 720. Which no one
Organic
gets.
stuff.
No one has ever got.
That
or will
miraculous
get.
figure of 720 is not so tough if you try. So
अच्छी
yeah.
होता है ना.
अच्छे बच्चे कर लेते हैं ब्रो. आता है
Mediocre बच्चे.
नहीं मीडियोकर. अरे राइट नाउ आई वोंट गो इनटू दीज कैरेक्टर डिटेल्स बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ देम डोंट नो देम, बट स्टिल ठीक है. सो या whenever I tell most of my relatives or something, they ask me बेटा कितने मार्क मिले, so I tell them 550 मिले थे. तो they're like कितने मार्क्स था, एग्जाम कितने मार्क का था फिर 720.
अरे, और
इतने
मैं
क्वेश्चन
हाँ.
कैसे दे दिए बेटा तुमने. So it's basically for those people who are listening right now, it's not 720 questions that you are attempting. We are attempting less questions, but because of the negative marking thing, it seems कि बहुत ज़्यादा है.
180 questions
Yeah.
you attempt.
ठीक है. So
4 marks each.
that is what NEET is, and mostly it's रट्टा only. Like concept है, पर बोर हो जाता है यार एंड में. कितना रटेंगे एक ही बुक. There's only one book you study, fucking NCERT. Dude, I have so
All
many.
the guys who have to give NEET, NCERT has to be pit pat, in and out. Every line from every page has to be there in your mind. That's it. इतना हुआ, NEET तुम्हारा है.
Bro यार.
You have a seat already.
Every teenager who does medicine, he has that one thing in his head. When he's sleeping at night, he or like she, whatever, when they're sleeping at night, you're not getting a wet dream. All you're thinking about is इस पेज पे ये डायग्राम है रेस्पिरेशन का, ये एग्जाम में आया था.
This is how you pass. ये पेज पे ऊपर से नीचे लिखे,
My
fourth
God,
line पे ये
the
word लिखा
arguments
है.
I've had कि NCERT में इस पेज पे यहाँ पे ये लिखा
लिखा
है,
है,
मुझे
बस.
फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Line pick up किया है, that's it.
Exactly.
End.
So that's what this system turns your head into. It's just that
It's very bad exam. Like,
it is,
to be honest.
because what you're doing is you're telling kids that this is what is written. You can't question it, even if you know it's wrong.
Yeah.
If you want to get marks, you have to do this, which is again much like life in general.
Yeah, ये है, ये करना पड़ेगा बेटा.
So the next thing that I want to talk about is, now that we know what NEET is, what is the difference between NEET and JEE?
One, we can also do maths
We can do maths, fucking
and physics.
Exactly.
Please.
ऐसा नहीं है कि हमको फिजिक्स नहीं आता है, हमको मैथ्स नहीं आता है. भाई हम लोग को भी जमता है,
हमने भी ऐसे सॉल्व किया है.
हमने भी किया है.
एक दो क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व किया है.
किया है भाई. हम लोग के भी थे कि पहले 5 क्वेश्चन HCV में हम भी सॉल्व करते थे. कुछ होशियार लोग थे जो सब करते, बट स्टिल
मंकी प्रॉब्लम हमने भी किया.
मंकी प्रॉब्लम, वी रीच मंकी प्रॉब्लम.
मंकी प्रॉब्लम.
पर मंकी के पूंछ पे मंकी आया तो वी वुड लीव इट.
मंकी प्रॉब्लम, बैंगल प्रॉब्लम,
बैंगल
एंड इयरिंग प्रॉब्लम.
इयरिंग ब्रो, SHM में एक इयरिंग प्रॉब्लम था.
इयरिंग प्रॉब्लम.
Yeah, so we have reached question 5 in everything, but when it used to get complex, monkey के पूंछ पे एक और monkey है तो we would leave it. कि
We say कि नहीं, हम जे नहीं कर रहे.
जेई नहीं कर रहे हैं, इतना एक बंदर आ गया तो we are happy.
बस नीट कर रहे, जे नहीं कर रहे. Let's move on to the next question.
Exactly. So the difference in JEE again comes out to be the marks. It's the questions in JEE follows like the mains. JEE has 2 exams. Mains has less number of questions, so obviously it will be for less marks. But yeah, the difference in JEE and NEET, it comes in like in the statistics. I won't bore you a lot, but what I want to tell you is that like around 9 lakh people apply for JEE. Like this is 2019, last year. This year ka stats we can't give obviously because of Corona. Thanks to Corona.
Yeah.
So we can't give you this year का stats. नहीं तो अब तक हो जाते थे
Hang
एग्जाम.
on guys, hang on, you'll have an exam.
Freshers आते थे अगले महीने से, अपन सुपर सीनियर हो गए रहते
No
थे यार.
ragging me. What is wrong?
I never rag. What the fuck
What
is wrong?
ragging me?
Dude, I'm just talking कि और freshers भी नहीं हुआ है अब तक, whatever. So yeah. So in 2019 there were 9.5 lakh kids who appeared for JEE and 15 lakh who appeared for NEET. That's the first difference there, that the number of kids. See, there's this one statistic that people giving JEE has dropped down.
NEET sucks.
NEET sucks. It's coming down. So it's like because of all these mainstream movies and everything, बच्चों को realize हो रहा है कि हमको engineering नहीं करना है.
No one makes movies on NEET.
Exactly. Because इसलिए तो लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि NEET भी नहीं करना है.
You think that JEE, this is big mammoth who will come and eat you up.
Exactly.
No.
NEET is bigger.
NEET is bigger.
So इसलिए people are understanding कि JEE नहीं करना है.
और ये क्या बात है कि bio easy होता है. Bio is not easy.
It's not easy, guys. Fucking it will
It is
fuck
not
you up.
easy.
Try remembering 2 full books and you'll understand.
Word to word, okay. एक line में यहाँ से वहाँ किया तो it's wrong है.
Yeah. So I'll tell you another fun fact that total NIT and IIT seats combined is around 30k. And that's the number of government med seats in India as well.
India.
It's around 30k. So, but the number of applicants for NEET is much more. So, like your chance of getting into a government medical college is around 2%.
2%.
But into an IIT or NIT, it's 3%. Like a percent makes a lot of difference. It's basically tougher to get into a medical college. पर हम पे कोई पिक्चर नहीं बना रहा है यार, जो हम भी सफर कर रहे हैं. That's
Amazon Prime पे एक तो बनाओ सीरीज यार कुछ तो.
हाँ ना यार, लाखों में एक बना उसने, पर वो पीजी पे बना
वो
है. I loved
बाद में
it.
वाला था, हाँ, वो
Love
बाद
that
में
show.
वाला
लाखों में लेके, if you have not seen it guys, season 2, season 1 also is pretty good. Watch लाखों में एक season 2. Not sponsored. I'd love if one day Amazon sponsors me.
Oh nice.
I love it, but
nice.
not today. Yeah. So going back to, yeah, so basically NEET and JEE are like there's a lot of differences, but in short, both the kids go through a lot of shit. How do you prepare for? What did you do in 11th and 12th to prepare?
Open my book. नहीं what I must say.
बंद
Close the
कर.
book. Go and play out. That's it. Go to college and do nothing.
This is everyone in 11th, because one thing I want to tell you, सब लोग 10th standard में ICSE, CBSE, SSC बच्चों का मेरे को पता नहीं क्या करते बट ICSE, CBSE बच्चे सबको 10 CGPA मिल गया है, सबको 90% के ऊपर आ गए, सब आते हैं कोचिंग के पहले दिन में.
No high horse की.
मेरे को तो सब आता है. Bro, कितने मिले? I remember I met you first day in Akash and we were waiting for our 10th standard results. We were waiting and दोनों का साथ में, we were like bro दोनों को 10 आ गए, we were so happy.
First ICSE came.
First ICSE came.
Sir came and he asked
कि
what ICSE?
I remember there was this one chick, she got 98%.
No, he was like एक काम करो, मार्क्स बताओ.
हाँ.
96, 97, 19, yeah, 98, 97. Then I was like, what the hell?
मैं
What
तो
is going?
मेरा
Where
तो
am I? I
exactly
don't belong here. And then they're like, ठीक है, अभी जो आएगा, वो बताओ. 10,
हाँ.
10. Fine, I'm in a good place.
Yeah, so everyone comes into 11th standard from 10th standard with like 10 CGPA in CBSE, 95 से ज़्यादा मिल रहा है ICSE में. सब लोग काफ़ी ऐसा आता है कि भाई
अच्छा काम किया, पर कुछ नहीं उखाड़ा लेकिन.
Exactly. And
Good thing that he studied, but उससे
कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
हाँ.
And we were also told the same, that your 10th marks don't matter. I was like, bro, you don't know me. 10th marks matter. Okay, I'm one in a few, but still.
One in like
लाखों में एक again, but still. So
लाखों में like 100 है, but ठीक है.
पर अभी भी बच्चे मेरे को बोलते हैं भैया मेरे को ना 10 CGPA आया, I'm starting my 11th standard. I want to tell them, bro, 10th marks don't matter, man. So that's the first thing. That everyone comes into 11th.
If you get na is CPA, you take science.
My God, that's
You
another.
take science. No, you don't do that.
I'll tell you, there was this one chick in our school, okay? So she got 10 CGPA as well, but she chose arts. Everyone flipped.
Yeah,
She was
same. I have a friend.
तेरे को-
She took arts. अभी she's in NIFT. तो ठीक है ना, like
हाँ.
उसने किया अच्छा काम उसके लिए.
I don't know where this chick is, but I remember she got 10 CGPA and she went to arts and was like, ये तो पागलबंदी है,
हाँ,
ऐसा कौन
exactly.
करता है, फ्यूचर की कदर नहीं है, this and that.
Science is not future.
Science is not future, guys.
Science is not your career. please.
Most of you listen
Science
to this.
stream है, उससे you will see what to do आगे.
But ठीक है, most of you listening to this, you are our age, so you don't know science is not the future. Anyways, so you're...
No, भाई करो please. ऐसे की मत करो, छोड़ दो सब. But it's
Yeah.
important to know कि और भी है options बहुत सारे.
Yeah, so preparation in 11th standard, basically what you do is you go into your coaching class, you just sit and you come back. And then 12th standard starts and you're like, fuck 11th पढ़ा ही नहीं. अभी क्या करेंगे? Organic.
There's a phase in 11th, okay? Where you go, you start and you're like pumped.
Yeah, you're
score
pumped.
well.
You're pumped. Oh
you
my
score
God.
well.
Because-
a few weeks, okay? A few weeks you score well.
Because it's fucking
Competition,
vectors and all, Ray.
Competition. It's a competition. Bro, marks कितना मिला? Fuck, मुझे
Yeah,
ज़्यादा
yeah,
मिला तेरे से. But then, after a few weeks, you slack down.
Yeah, you slack. And that slack comes in September. Everyone.
Yeah. After your terms.
Yeah, after your terms.
College terms.
College का पहला terms होने तक I remember everyone is fucking pumped.
Yeah.
पहले 3 महीने तो ऐसा
Topper,
पढ़ते हैं
topper.
बच्चे कि
Yes.
पता नहीं क्या end नहीं हो उसको.
Everyone tops there.
Yeah. And after that, organic. I remember organic starts in December.
Sir come थे like अच्छी बात
हाँ, अच्छी batch.
अच्छी batch है अच्छा
हाँ,
अच्छा
अच्छी
result
batch है,
देंगे.
yes, yes, yes.
After September एक दो बच्चे रहते हैं जो स्कोर करते हैं बस that's it.
So yeah, so 11th में कोई पढ़ता नहीं है. And because we forget that 11th standard builds your 12th standard. And then we enter 12th standard. Like I had not done organic chemistry. Completely I had left it. And 12th standard में alcohols पढ़ा रहे. और मेरे को पता नहीं कि विनाइल ग्रुप क्या रहता है. मैं सर को पूछने जा रहा विनाइल क्या रहता है. वो मेरे को डांट दिया कि यार ये इसका नाम है. I was like fuck dude, I don't know anything.
You don't belong in this class, please leave.
Exactly.
ऐसे बोलता है.
So yeah, so that happens when you fuck up your 11th standard. Obviously, if you're in a good coaching and then they help you through it, then it's different. But our coaching, I won't take the name because they might sue us. But it starts from A. sky is the
Sky is the
limit.
limit.
Yeah, अभी sky बोल दिया, I think everyone will understand कि हम कौन से coaching में थे 11th and 12th में. So the next thing I want to come from there is coaching institutes. There are two type of coaching institutes any kid goes into. One is
Local and the other is
corporate.
big company.
Corporate ही है. उन लोग के पास employees time है, आई कार्ड पहन के आता है सिखाने. और
Mass recruiter.
Mass recruiter, yes. और लोकल में बच्चे ऐसा टीचर लोग गंजी में घूम रहे हैं, स्टेयर्स पे सो रहे हैं, कुछ भी चल रहा है. बट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ कंपनी एंड अ लोकल ब्रांड इज कि वो कंपनी वाले लोग को दे डोंट गिव अ फक अबाउट यू व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, हाउ यू आर गोना एंड अप इन
There's
लाइफ.
this thing like main branch and the other branch.
Exactly.
Main branch is really good.
Yeah.
The branches are equally shit.
Like there's this one coaching institute that is after a dude's name,
Yeah.
Balin.
Okay.
Can I say Balin? Yeah, I can say Balin.
Okay.
So वो उधर जिधर है उधर मस्त रिजल्ट निकालते हैं
अरे
वो लोग.
insane.
बट वो लोग अभी आए पूना में, उनका कुछ रिजल्ट नहीं निकल रहा. दैट सेम थिंग हैपेंड विद स्काई कि उनका जिधर दिल्ली में है
They had no limit there. But here,
यहाँ पे आके तो भाई फक कर दिया बच्चों ने पूरा यहाँ पे आके. बट दैट्स द डिफरेंस बिकॉज दोज पीपल डोंट केयर अबाउट व्हाट द स्टूडेंट्स आर गोइंग थ्रू. ऑल दे केयर अबाउट इज एडमिशन हो गया, सिलेबस हो गया,
सिलेबस हो गया, मेन इज सिलेबस हो गया, फाइन, अब तुम मुझे करना ही करो.
एंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ लोकल थिंग इज कि दैट डूड उसका लाइवलीहुड चल रहा है.
Yeah,
मार
so he
खाने
puts
पे.
efforts, he puts
हाँ.
efforts and he makes sure that you're
कि
studying.
अरे मेरे पास 40 बच्चे आ रहे, उनमें से 20 अगर लगे नहीं तो अगले साल 100 नहीं आएंगे.
हाँ.
दैट इज व्हाई दैट डूड विल पे मोर अटेंशन टू यू. दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ लोकल ब्रांड एंड अ कॉर्पोरेट थिंग. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल दे डोंट रियलाइज दिस नाउ ऑल्सो. आई टेल देम कि गो टू दिस लोकल थिंग, दे विल टीच यू बेटर. बट दे आर लाइक नहीं यार भैया हमको तो लगता है ना कि स्काई में बहुत मस्त पढ़ाते हैं.
बैलन ने क्या रिजल्ट निकाला है?
अरे बैलन का रिजल्ट भैया देखो.
वो रिजल्ट यहाँ का नहीं है भाई.
Exactly.
वो रिजल्ट वहाँ का है.
फिर उनका माँ बाप आगे हमको बोलता है तुमको पता नहीं मेरा बेटा ना 16 घंटे पढ़ता है 10th में.
In 10th he scored 96%.
हाँ.
Okay. अच्छा बच्चा, he's very smart.
Same man, same. So yeah, from here I want to go to junior colleges, and at least in Maharashtra, I don't know about all other states, at least in Pune,
It's a scam.
it's a scam.
It's a big scam.
तू कॉर्पोरेट में जा, तू लोकल में जा, वो लोग तेरे को बोलेंगे ये कॉलेज है, इधर
Tie up
जा,
करो.
टाइप करो, अटेंड मत करो.
Attendance we'll manage.
नहीं मैनेज. भाई मैंने तो 11th-12th में मेरे को एक कॉलेज है, मेरा दिव्य कॉलेज है, आई कांट टेक इट्स नेम, बट इफ यू नो स्काई इन पुणे एंड इट्स एफिलिएशन
you will
यू विल नो. कैम बर्गर के बाजू में एक कॉलेज है.
Are you in it? You are doomed.
या एंड योर कॉलेज ऑल्सो एवरीवन नोज.
Yeah, of course everyone knows.
कुछ तो बोलते हैं कॉलेज के बारे में.
No affiliation.
दिस डूड ओके बोथ ऑफ अस वेंट टू द सेम कॉलेज कैंप वाला. और इसका ये मेरे को बोलता है कि भाई मेरा ना जूनियर कॉलेज में एडमिशन नहीं हुआ है इसलिए मैं दूसरे कॉलेज में जा रहा हूँ. मैं बोला ठीक है यार, हार्ड लक, वी विल.
मेरा ये नहीं हुआ, मेरा
हाँ.
टाइप नहीं हुआ.
Type नहीं हुआ.
लास्ट सीट गया उसका.
एंड दिस फकर वो अटेंडेंस में इसका रोज मल्ला रेर मुके पूछने की. बोला अबे तू है ना इधर. बोले का पता नहीं भाई. 1 year दिस फकर इसका अटेंडेंस. देयर इज वन फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, शी यूज्ड टू से नो मैम ही चेंज्ड हिज
You ask me every time, I was like, I don't know, bro.
I don't. But basically it didn't matter much because कोचिंग जूनियर कॉलेज में कोई चाहता ही नहीं है 11th. until and unless तुम लोग ने CBSE ले लिया है, which my sister did, and she fucked up bad in it because CBSE कॉलेज कैसा रहता है, वो लोग रोज अटेंडेंस है उनका, प्रेयर वगैरह, इतनी शक्ति वगैरह रोज चल रहा रहता है उन लोग का.
After school ना, in JC, you are free. You
Yeah.
can do whatever you want.
Yeah.
It's bad and good. Bad because it's free, and अच्छा because you can
can study. Yeah, that's the main difference between junior college जो SSC का है और CBSE का है. CBSE वाले बच्चे तो मेरे को पता है
अकड़िया लगे भाई. What घमंड अलग. I am from DPS. अभी है DPS के बंदों में, क्या करूँ.
भाई बच्चे मारने वाले अपने को सुनने के बाद. वन अदर थिंग आई रिमेंबर राइट नाउ कि PCM और PCB या PCMB.
PCMB is like the top cream.
I remember.
Top tier.
I remember those kids who came to me. भाई मैं बायो. हाँ भाई तो क्या लिया. मैं बोला मेरे को नीट करना है, मैं बायो. नीट मतलब CT करना है, मैं बायो ले रहा हूँ.
नहीं होगा तेरा.
नहीं होगा.
मैथ्स चाहिए उसके लिए.
मैथ्स चाहिए. बैकअप नहीं है तुम्हारे पास. मोस्टली बच्चे आंटी लोग, बेटा तुमने मैथ्स नहीं लिया, बेटा फेल हो गए तो कैसे करेंगे बेटा. मेरे को इंजीनियर बनना नहीं, मैं क्यों लूँ मैथ्स.
You have B and geography.
Geography.
Take geography, people will judge you so bad.
I took geography, bro. People judged the fuck out of me.
I was geography.
I was like, अरे मिल रहा है 50 मार्क, मेरे को रहने दो ना, मेरे को नहीं लेना है मैथ्स, क्यों पढ़ूं मैथ्स, मेरे को चाहिए नहीं मैथ्स. But
See, you have PCB, उसके ऊपर you have PCM, उसके ऊपर you have PCMB.
and the biggest fuckers are those people who are into bio, जो उनको नीट देना है पर मैथ्स लेके बैठे. एंड देन देख रहा है तेरे को क्या पता मेरे को मैथ्स में, बोला तेरे को लेने को कौन बोला था फिर.
It will help in physics, bro.
It doesn't help, guys. It doesn't help in physics. तुमको फिजिक्स नहीं आता है, मैथ्स नहीं आता है, ऐसा नहीं है. तुमको फिजिक्स नहीं आता है, ऐसा नहीं कि मैथ्स लिए रहते तो फिजिक्स टॉप कर दिए रहते थे. या सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज MHCET का स्कैम जो अपने बैच के साथ हुआ, विच नो वन नोज अबाउट. लाइक people from our batches know about it, but अपने junior और अपने ज़्यादा senior को पता नहीं.
No.
So we are from 2017 batch, and in Maharashtra at least, I don't know about other states again. To get into a medical college, पहले you had to give MHCET, and MHCET was what, that there's no negative marking, there's no +4 -1. You just come और मार के जाओ क्या मारना है, हम तुमको माइनस मार्किंग नहीं देंगे.
Based on stats, you might B. You'll get 50. You'll get 50
out of 200.
Easy 50.
हाँ. But more than 50 if you remember, B ज़्यादा आता है.
Yeah, अब B ज़्यादा आता है.
Fuck. So
guys, remember, okay? आंसर नहीं आ रहा,
B करो.
B मार्क करके आओ. मार्क भी blindly and come.
So
B तो भगवान होता है, B तो मार्क करके आना.
हाँ, करके आ जाओ. So MHCET में क्या हो गया था कि तुमको बेसिकली 11th का शून्य नॉलेज चाहिए, 12th के 3 पुस्तक पढ़ लो, आके ओक दो. So that was the basic strategy in MHCET. And then when we entered 12th standard without studying 11th standard, they were like, अभी MHCET गया,
अभी
नीट होने वाला है, and there will be negative marking in it.
11th 12th मिला के
11th 12th मिला के तभी मेरा जो फटा था. I remember I was talking to so many friends that day. It was Jan of 2016 I think. I was talking to everyone कि what are we gonna do. Then everyone was like, we are in the boat together bro, don't worry. But everyone बेंचों सब लोग 11th में पढ़े थे, मैं ही नहीं पढ़ा था. वो लोग सब बैठ के पढ़ रहे थे. तब से मेरे को ट्रस्ट इश्यूज है लोगों के साथ.
That one guy who does 11th अच्छे से
man,
मतलब hatred max hatred,
because अभी वो सिंसियरली पढ़ा, हम चिल कर रहे थे. आई गेट दैट, बट स्टिल यू हेट पीपल मैन. मेरे को क्यों नहीं बोला तू पढ़ रहा था, मैं तेरे साथ ही बैठा था.
No, he was right there studying. I was on my phone with AIB, watching AIB. That time was AIB time.
Oh यार, AIB was so good that
Exactly.
time. I remember. AIB was like the go-to thing. अभी बंद पड़ गया. But still. So CET होने के बाद से हम लोग का स्कैम हो गया. और 12th में आने के बाद रियलाइज हुआ कि पूरा 11th 12th आना चाहिए.
11th कुछ नहीं आता, 12th सिर्फ बायो आता है because रिलेशन नहीं
तो आ जाएगा. Exactly. तो that is why many of the people from our batch, like 2017 batch, smart ones got through. There are those who got through, I won't say no.
You assholes who did 11th अच्छे से.
Our seniors. So they got through. But what happened to the majority of us कि हम लोग 11th नहीं किए थे and we couldn't cover it in time, so we were forced to take a drop. Mostly it's going to be a different episode because you can't cover drop year in 20 minutes. So that's mostly going to be another episode. Stay tuned for that. So I'll tell you this one thing. You won't know this because you were in another junior college than me.
Yeah.
But in what happened is I was in 11th and our final year ka paper got leaked. Final paper, final exam of 11th.
WhatsApp messages say.
It got leaked. And there was this one dude, there was one lab assistant. वो भैया था.
Every lab assistant, guys, go and make friends with them. They're God.
तो वो बंदे ने पूरा पेपर जेरोक्स मार के दिया उसको.
Oh wow.
पूरा केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स. You know him, everyone knows him. I won't take his name. जो मेरे साथ स्काई में था 11th में, उसको पता है कि ये कौन है, ये दिव्य बंदा जिसने पेपर फोड़ा था. बट या हम लोग का पेपर लीक हो गया था.
लीक का भी नहीं था. He was in JEE.
हाँ, he was in JEE, but everyone knew him.
हाँ,
everyone knew him. He was doing JEE in Sky. I don't know why. ये कौन अलग बंदा है जो इधर आ रहा है. तो उसने पेपर फोड़ दिया था. और पेपर फोड़ने के बाद हम सब लोग, अभी मेरे को ट्रस्ट इशू पहले से था बिकॉज अभी लाइक आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू. एंड व्हाट हैपेंड इज आई वाज स्टिल लाइक ठीक है एक बार पढ़ लेते हैं क्या हो रहा है देख लेते हैं. And the same fucking questions came in the paper. I got so happy. I was like, अरे genuinely paper फोड़ दिया यार, ठीक है अपन full मारेंगे. And we did all that. And then after the paper got over, 1 week later, the authorities realized कि paper फूट गया.
Oh.
So fucking फिर से retest वगैरह हुआ. But yeah, दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू टेल यू. कितना यूजलेस होता है जूनियर कॉलेज.
My college no retest whatsoever.
तेरा पेपर फूट गया था?
फुल मार्क्स. अरे WhatsApp पे आया था मेरे. But I was in a ये मतलब गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज ग्रांट सीट. So nothing doing. ठीक है पास तो पास.
चलो एक ग्रांट सीट बहुत स्कैम रहता है, पता है क्या तेरे को. सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग वी आर गोना टॉक
non grant seat. Grant is I think you pay extra.
हाँ ग्रांट इज यू पे.
Which is for free, like which is for like higher marks वाला.
हायर मार्क्स इज नॉन ग्रांट ना.
Non grant.
मेरिट मेरिट सीट. ठीक है.
I was in Vardias by the way.
अरे ठीक है इवन हाँ
Get it out.
ठीक है. Vardias doesn't care. ठीक है. So one more thing, the most important thing, relationships in 11th and 12th. Because सब लोग 16-17 साल का है, सबका टेस्टोस्टेरोन फूट रहा है बंदों का, सबका
And distractions.
and other ठीक है.
Other distractions.
And other distractions as well, but the major one being relationship. Because तुम लोग कोचिंग क्लास में जा रहा है 50 बच्चे क्लोज प्रॉक्सिमिटी में बंदे
बॉयज स्कूल बंदे गर्ल्स स्कूल बंदे एक साथ मिलते कहाँ पर कोचिंग क्लास में मिलते हैं.
सो दैट इज व्हाई सबके दिमाग में ये चल रहा था, अरे ब्रो व्हाट डू आई लाइक हर दिस एंड दैट. सो फॉर मी पर्सनली देयर आर प्रोज एंड कॉन्स फॉर अ रिलेशनशिप.
Yeah, that's true.
नाउ व्हेन आई वाज इन 11th I liked a girl but she said no to me in 11th but she said yes to me after 12th.
ठीक है ना.
But like
your phase went by
and with her only I went through drop, and in that phase she helped me, so it was a big pro for me. But for many people what happens is like अभी उसका नाम मैं नहीं लूँगा, but he has told me that 11th he studied completely but in 12th he went behind a few girls and because of that he couldn't focus on his studies.
Oh,
what do you have to say about this? That how
see it makes sense. I mean you're in an open space and you have girls around you.
Yeah.
And being a guy, you obviously you'll be attracted. You'll होता है, like हो जाता है. But then I don't have anything to say on this. I don't know what to say.
Yeah, you have no experience na Mallar about dating in 11th and 12th.
Nothing whatsoever.
No experience. Mallar is so
whatsoever.
man. He's shy, you know guys.
Very shy.
मल्हार ने 11th 12th में सिर्फ पढ़ाई किया है और कुछ नहीं किया है.
और ड्रॉप भी लिया उसके बाद.
ड्रॉप भी लिया, वो बहुत पढ़ लिया 11th 12th में, बहुत बायो पढ़ लिया.
देख कितना क्या कर.
So yeah, basically relationship is it's how you look at it. If your partner or whoever you're with, if they're in the same headspace as you, then you can tackle the problem together. But if it's like different, then it can be messier. But I'd say that at least go for it. Because तुम लोग अभी 16 साल के बच्चे हो.
अभी बाहर आए हो स्कूल से.
हाँ,
तो बहुत कुछ नया होता है.
हाँ.
कि ब्रो चलना, बाहर जाते घूमने जाते हैं. We'll try that. So हो जाएगा. like
बहुत सारे लोग तो फर्स्ट ईयर में आके ट्राई कर रहे हैं. उन लोग के लिए तो नेक्स्ट लेवल ही चीज़ हो रहा है.
Yes, Parth. This is for you.
पार्थिया. पार्थ का नाम ले सकते हैं, कई सारे बुल्ले. So one of the last things I want to talk about is no matter what you do, like you study, you don't study, you're serious, you're not serious, whatever it is, those 2 years, they are just bad for you.
Yeah.
You can't be in a good space throughout those 2 years. That's what at least I think after talking to everyone, all of my friends. Because even if you're studying or you're not studying, back of your mind एक thing चल रहा है.
You know that you have these 2 years to do something.
हाँ.
नहीं किया.
Society has told you.
हाँ, तो you will be sad anyways.
You'll be sad anyways. Because society ने तुमको बोला है बेटा 11th 12th पढ़ लो फिर तो पार्टी like.
ये scam है. ये scam number 2 है.
There's no party. Everyone knows that by now. कि पार्टी तो है नहीं.
Do 10th
पार्टी.
सिर्फ पढ़ाई नहीं है.
10th के बाद
बेटा do 12th फिर पढ़ाई नहीं है.
Again why I have trust issues. सब साफ बैठे नेवले भूचो. ठीक है कुछ भी झूठ बोल रहे बच्चों को. एंड व्हाट हैपेंस इज तुम लोग 11th and 12th में बैठे हो. अभी आई एम चिलिंग अ डे. ऐसा मैं बैठ के चिल कर रहा है, मैं यूट्यूब कर रहा है, ये भी कर रहा है. एंड बैक ऑफ माई हेड इट्स गोइंग बी लाइक अरे यार मैंने
एग्जाम का फिजिक्स की कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं किया
भाई. ऑसिलेशन पता नहीं मेरे को क्या करूंगा मैं.
देन वन डूड ही कॉल्स यू, अरे ब्रो तूने ये क्या सॉल्व किया क्वेश्चन. यू नो सबमिट सॉल्व किया एंड यू आर स्क्रॉलिंग थ्रू इंस्टाग्राम.
सो दैट इज व्हाट कि तुम लोग कुछ भी हो तुम्हारा मेंटल स्पेस तो फक ही हो गया है. बिकॉज प्रेशर इतना ज़्यादा है. एंड हमारा जो कॉर्पोरेट इंस्टीट्यूट था स्काई, देयर वाज अ काउंसलर ऑल्सो. एक बंदा था वो काउंसलर था, वो चिल्लाता ही था, पता है क्या? वहाँ का तो चिल्लाता था, तुमसे कुछ नहीं होने वाला रे, तुमको क्या
The irony in that.
Exactly.
Counselor तुमसे कुछ नहीं होगा.
So yeah, whatever you do, you're gonna be fucked in your head anyways. And then the last thing is, you finally, after 2 years of studying, procrastinating, fucking up, doing whatever, you finally go into the hall and you give that exam. वो 3 घंटे का you give
Those
that
3 hours for 2 years. वो those 3 fucking hours.
ये 3 घंटे तुमसे खुदा भी नहीं छीन सकता. इस 70 मिनट में जाओ और खेलो तुम्हारी हॉकी.
या खुदा की, ये तो सीधा shot
सीधा वाला शॉट मारने वाली है.
या खुदा.
वो फुल फील आता है उसमें. तो कुछ लोग का शॉट ब्लॉक हो जाता है.
Yeah,
पर
but then
हम जैसे लोग का वो हुआ नहीं. What happened is, we fucked up because we had not studied.
I knew with the exam that I'm not going to do this. होगा नहीं मेरे से.
You know,
first time
I knew, I was,
in 12th.
I remember May में NEET होता है and it was April of my first attempt and I was sitting and I was studying and I remember, like I was studying something and I knew कि मेरा होने नहीं वाला है. So I had written it in my book कि तेरा इस साल नहीं होने वाला है, but don't be disheartened, you can give it another try. So I had written it, I knew. So that acceptance is very tough for a 17-year-old kid, that you know, you fucked up in something.
होता है mistake, like it's fine if you fuck up.
Yeah, and the first
क्या
thing
नहीं
is,
पढ़ाई होता है ऐसे कि नहीं किया पढ़ाई बाबा. You don't know physics at all.
yeah,
You don't know.
and it might
Organic
be, it
chemistry.
might be because of n number of reasons. Now my excuse is कि MHCET था and that's why I didn't study in 11th.
और बहुत सी हो सकता है.
Whatever it is, everyone has a reason why they didn't do something. But once the realization hits you, na, it's like a wake up call. You have to understand that. See, for me, for many kids, what happened is they went through the same fuck up as me, but they realized कि medicine is not for them, so they went to something else.
Yeah, they changed.
They changed. But what happened with me is I realized कि नहीं, मेरे को ना यही करना है. और मैं ये भी realize किया कि मैं fuck up कर दिया है. So that was the biggest, like, in my entire life till now, 21 years में, not a lot, but still that was the biggest thing.
You
I
realize
went through.
early, like मेरा ये हुआ after NEET हो गया था.
हाँ.
After it was done and then सब लोग ये कर रहे थे, like everyone was like pro marks कितना आया.
हाँ.
आंसर की से. I had no will like to go and
Check your answer key.
check the answer की. तब I realized कि नहीं होगा मेरे से. No, हुआ ही नहीं obviously.
Yeah. So everyone in those few end का months, everyone realizes that
Yeah.
कुछ तो गलत है. And the first thing is accepting the fact that you screw up. तुम लोग ने गू कर दिया है. And knowing that it's not, you won't get through this time. So then you have two options. One is you give this dream up, you do something else, which majority of the people end up doing in Maharashtra at least.
Yeah.
And the second thing
In
is
West is the case. You switch the stream.
North में people just they are at it, fucking 3 साल बैठ के
दो
drop
drop,
ले रहे हैं.
तीन drop, which is fine.
Which is
because
good.
They have a dream.
Exactly.
And they are working towards it.
But I don't know what's wrong in Maharashtra. महाराष्ट्रामध्ये असं तर, अरे पोरा तुझं झालं नाही का, तू काळजी नको घेऊ बाळा.
Engineering करू ना आपण.
इंजिनियर तू BSc कर ना बाळा.
समाज करूंगे.
हाँ, so that's what.
सिंहगडला तर घेऊ admission.
हाँ, सिंहगडला घेऊ ना बाळा. So this panic attitude of parents in Maharashtra, I don't understand. If your child has some dream, fucking support it. Have the balls to support it. But most of the parents, Marathi parents, they don't have the balls. Like my mom, dad, they did, and they told me that it's okay if you take some break.
You have a year.
You have a
whatever
year.
you want.
Exactly.
We trust you.
We trust you. So and that was a very big boost for me. कि
Believe yourself. You can do it at least in 1 year.
Yeah.
और तुमको मिल रहा है extension तो उतना करो.
So that is when everyone's having a conversation around you, then you realize कि drop लेना पड़ेगा. And then you talk to other people who have gone through a drop, you talk to their experiences, and then you get to know it's not so bad. Let's give it a shot. And then उस एक साल में again what happened with me and Mallar was that we were in Akash. We were not together. We knew each other. We were in different batches. We knew कि ये exists करता है वगैरह. But in drop year again, I saw him with me there. So that's when we really became close कि हम लोग same गू करके आए इधर.
Same boat. Same fuck ups. Same goal.
So in that drop year, like I was very fortunate to get a good bunch of friends with me. That group was very nice.
Yeah.
Our group, whatever it was.
All of us moved to the same college.
All of us came.
Luckily, like
everyone came to a government college. Everyone came together. Like the group entire came to a government college, and that was very nice because we all studied together. We did everything together.
Yeah.
गू भी साथ में ही किया अपन लोग ने.
out. No boys. I don't know this. Please, I'm out of this.
So surviving that 1 year, I'd say that for many people mentally it's tough, but somehow for me, I don't know why, it was very good.
It was the best year of my life.
Exactly. Drop year was beautiful for me.
After school, it was the best year of my life.
Yeah. because I don't know what it was. I was learning everything in a very new way, and I loved that. Firstly,
You
because
were learning in the first
you were
place.
learning,
You knew what you're studying.
and that's because of our new institute only.
That is yeah.
Yeah. I think we can. Na? Jha won't mind.
He won't mind. Fine.
Yeah. So it was all because of Jha only. Because from Sky to Jha, it was a big jump, and we realized that what a coaching institute can do to you.
Brought to you by Jha Institutes.
I hope that fucking happens, man. पैसा तो मिलेगा कुछ तो यार. So yeah. So they helped us a lot, and surviving that 1 year was enjoyable. It was
That
not
is
कि ऐसा नहीं था कि अरे यार ये कहाँ पे आ गए हम.
और हमने उसमें एक ही किया चीज. Only we have just
studied.
सिर्फ पढ़ाई किया है.
But it was not bad.
It was good.
It was
like,
good.
You enjoy doing it.
Even right now, whatever I do in MBBS, I compare it to that time कि अरे आज इतना पढ़ा जितना मैं ड्रॉप में पढ़ता था. That is
जो rarely होता है.
हाँ rarely होता है, अब तो होता नहीं है. But that is a benchmark I have in my head कि if I'm studying, like I have a happy feeling about the day after studying. It's like I'm comparing it to
Drop year.
because that's how good they made it. And then that 1 year goes by, and I can't tell all the experiences we had in drop right now because as I told you, it's
That's
another
the first,
fucking episode altogether.
It's huge. It is
If
going
you
to be mad.
guys want us to cover drop year, leave a like drop a comment and tell us that ha karo or like whatever. So we'll do another one on drop year. So whatever, you go through this, you go through all this, and then finally वो drop year भी खत्म हो जाता है, and the anxiety now it starts building because you are a repeater.
See.
तुमने एक बार दिया है,
Yeah, exactly.
तो तुमको पता है कि what that exam hall is like, कि एग्जामिनर ऐसे आएगा, तुमको पेन मिलेगा, पहले 3 घंटे तुम ऐसा झुंड में बकरी जैसा बैठा ही
तुमको
नीचे.
एग्जाम लेट मिलेगा, तुमको पेपर लेट मिलेगा.
हाँ
Fan off रहेगा.
एग्जैक्टली कान में पसीना जा रहा है, सब हो रहा है.
No AC whatsoever.
Exactly, and you can imagine all these things in your head.
Which guy gets AC in his exam hall? I want to know. There was a dude, some random dude. Okay, my mom told me he had AC in his exam hall.
भाई
इंडिया में नहीं होता है. ये सब scam है.
Dude, there are many people who got their answer paper, like question paper, 15 minutes late.
I was one of them.
हाँ क्या fuck.
I got my question paper late. I was so mad at that guy. I got up, sir.
Time हो गया, दे दो.
Time देखो. He's like, हाँ आ रहा है बेटा, आ रहा है, बैठो. Like, no, I want my paper right now. Then वो भाग के then got it.
Fortunately, I was not one of those. मेरे को time पे मिल गया था question paper in my second this thing. But yeah, still that happens and that fucks up with your headspace यार, because you know कि अरे पेपर आएगा, मैं पहले नाम भरूंगा, ये करूंगा, वो करूंगा. Your sequence gets disturbed.
एक और तुमको मिला है chance, you're like, please अभी सब हो जाए अच्छे से.
And because you have been through the entire experience now, it's just vivid in your head. Every day you just know कि ये होने वाला है उस दिन, ये होने वाला है. And the second time you go to give that paper,
It's not easy.
it's not easy.
No.
कितना भी practice किया है, in that 1 year, one drop year in Jha, every day, fucking 365 days, we have given 700 papers.
Easy.
2 papers we have given every day, but still it didn't make us prepared for what that 1 hour, 3 hours would be in the exam hall. But still, somehow, I got through. Even you did. Most of us
It
got
goes
through.
so fast.
It was so
Those 3
fast.
hours go so fast.
They went too
You have
fast.
no idea how fast that goes.
But still, I remember each and every minute.
Oh yes,
It
every
went-
question. I'm
Every
like,
question.
you tick. You remember your.
You remember what you did.
That is true.
Kitna fast gaya, and then that entire day, I can't forget. I forgot my first attempt. Somehow.
Vague.
It's very vague.
I don't remember also. I don't remember my exam hall also.
Yeah.
Where it was.
Yeah.
First attempt. I don't remember anything.
First attempt, I just forgot so quickly. But drop year is still like raw and fresh in my
I
mind.
remember हॉल में एंटर किया है, एग्जाम दे हॉल के बाहर भी आया है. एग्जैक्ट दिस थिंग आई रिमेंबर. देयर इज गाय विद लॉन्ग हेयर. आई रिमेंबर एवरीथिंग विविड.
So yeah, and then finally that year ended again. We went through a drop year. So we had given the exam twice.
Yeah.
So we had more experience, you can say. And then after that, 2 महीना chill किया, ranks आए, and then we finally realized कि ठीक है, हो गया.
After exam is over now, you know कि देखो अच्छा मिला है marks.
हाँ, you have a
know,
feeling
you have a
कि
feeling.
I
छोड़ दिया.
remember my mom had asked me कि क्या होगा. I said I don't know क्या होगा, पर सीट मिल जाएगा.
Yeah,
किधर मिलेगा मेरे को नहीं पता, सीट मिल जाएगा. And that was a very relieving experience कि finally एक बार घुस तो गए अंदर.
That night I slept so sound.
Yeah.
Best sleep of my
fucking
life.
फच्चे जो है ना, freshers मतलब not the first year people, the ones who got it in their first attempt. By freshers I don't mean जिन्होंने ये साल join
Yeah.
किया है. Non-repeater people, especially for medical, they don't understand the value of that seat that they've got.
Exactly. They like, हाँ ठीक, हमने किया पढ़ाई, 11th किया, 12th किया, NEET दिया, मिल गया.
Yeah,
seat.
I understand you went through the same thing as me, but you will never understand the price of that one seat.
That is true.
And also another thing I wanted to talk about is I forgot to talk about it. Medical colleges are fucking two type. एक तो होता है government और एक होता है private. Private colleges and
Government मतलब government एक होता है, you actually learn something.
Exactly, yeah, true. I if given a choice, I genuinely want to go to a private medical college.
We are in GMCs.
We are in GMC, but I'd go to a private medical college because उन लोग को genuinely चीज़ें मिल रहा है, माइक्रोस्कोप मिल रहा है, प्रैक्टिकल हो रहा है, टूल्स है, सब है. But then the amount of money that you have to pay, I just can't take that financially.
Exorbitant amount of money
It's
you pay
too much.
for something which you might get in a GMC.
Exactly. You might get.
Yeah.
Might being the term. अभी जो नया नया GMC आ रहा है, now I have a friend in this
Baramati,
thing,
right?
Baramati. She tells
Good
me that
facilities.
it's beautiful.
Yeah.
But abhi the one we are in, it's not bad. It's amazing. It's an amazing institute. But the same one, if it would have been a private institute, what my friends tell me, like the instruments that they have, everything is better. So yeah. But basically, even if you're a private student, if you're a government student, you go through the same shit.
Yeah.
And nothing's different. Like you go through the same black hole that is pre-med. So guys, on that note, we are gonna end this episode. And it was a lot of fun talking about 11th, 12th. Drop, we didn't touch that much. I'm gonna come to it again. Next episode, I have some ideas about it. And mostly it's gonna be that only. It's gonna be about your first day in a medical college and how it's different from, like our medical college is different from any other college you've been into. So it's gonna be mostly about that. But if you guys have any other ideas, if you have some suggestions, कि cover this, cover that, कि इसके बारे में बोल, ये बोल, वो बोल. So drop that down in the comment section.
Press F in chat.
F in chat. No, F in chat क्यों bro? अच्छा लगा तो बोलो.
OP. Me
yeah.
OP in chat.
भाई कर दो यार, सपना है. So if you guys have any criticism कि माइक ऐसा लग रहा था, कुछ भी, it's my first time podcasting, just be free. गाली देना है, क्या करना है, सब डाल दो. Just tell me what you want to see, and yeah, I'll get that in my podcast.
What you want to hear.
Yeah, what you want to hear. Sorry, fucking hell. Tell me what you want to hear, and I'll get that the next time, hopefully.
I hope to be back here, Mir. I hope I'm a recurring person in this podcast.
That depends on what the people want, bro. अगर उन लोगों ने बोला मल्ला चूतिया है, कमेंट में अगर दिखा एक भी बार that who is this, अभी तुम लोग मीर चूतिया बोलो, फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, मैं होस्ट है. I am gonna be here only. Guys, मेरे को गाली देके फायदा नहीं है. If you say मल्हार चूतिया है, he's out.
No, I'm not. Okay, listen, I'm not going to go. I'm going to come back.
So the power is in your hands. Tell me what you want to hear. Tell me what different ideas you have about this podcast. And yeah, see you the next time.
Hashtag drop army.
Drop army.
Drop
Fucking
army,
hell.
bro.
Yeah. See you the next time, guys.
Bye, Mir. I'll see you soon again tomorrow.
Bye, guys.